Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to make money using the ChatGPT as beginner side hustle. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT on your browser. Next, choose a simple online service you can offer, such as content writing, resume writing, product descriptions, social media captions, or ebook creation. Then here ask the ChatGPT to help you produce your work by typing prompts like write a professional resume for beginner or create a social media captions for business. And after that, offer your service on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups. You can also ask or use the ChatGPT to create your gig descriptions, proposals, and client responses to save time and look professional. Next, deliver a high quality work using the ChatGPT as your assistant. And finally, scale your income by offering more services and improving your skills over time. And that's it. That's how you make money using ChatGPT as a beginner side hustle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.